What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Finally got to do the swap over. It wasn't really easy, especially when it came on to getting the tubes to go into where, you know, the shocks come down and compress. These are the old ones that I was running. Took them off now. Still gonna keep them because I can still find use for them, and if anything I might be switching back to those. But they're off now. I'm going to be turning the car around so you can see the finished product. You know, really anxious to see how it's going to turn out because it's been a minute now since I've driven the car because, you know, weather conditions and things like that. But, you know, I'm going to be going back out there as soon as I get a chance. But now I'm going to be showing you guys, you know, what it looks like since I've gotten it done. And let me know what you guys think. So there it is, guys. They're installed. There's some space that could still compress a little bit, and there is some movement, but not a lot of movement. And I want to keep it like that so it's not too rigid. There is still some play in the back end, but overall, you know, that's what it's looking like, guys. And I definitely believe that it will help with the overall performance now since I've gotten that done. And you know, if you're new to the channel, you know, welcome. Like, share, and subscribe. And this is what it is, guys. So got that out of the way, so as the weather starts to, you could say, calm down, I'm just doing little things. When I do the motor swap, it won't be nothing more than to just go out and drive the car, because I've basically been putting everything else in place. Got these ones swapped out, then going to be doing the motor upgrade after that. So, you know, just stay tuned, guys. I really want to see what the difference will be with, you know, running it as is right now, because as you can see, I've taken out the glass and, well, not the glass but the windows, lighten up the body some more. I've cut out a few pieces, and you know, it kind of looks sick, you know, kind of really make you do a double take on the whole setup. But it is what it is, guys. So I want to see if it's gonna improve my time. I did kind of prove that myth, or I could say theory, when I ran the car this summer, where, you know, I was able to get probably like an extra 1 or 2 miles per hour type because the body got so light. And you know, with power to weight ratio, you know, that can also help to improve that. So it kind of does work, but you know, it's a little bit dangerous because some of the parts, you know, a little sharp. But you know, I use the file to really get things smooth and stuff. And you know, it kind of gives the car a little character to it. And it's kind of sick. So yeah, that's the only thing we've known is just to be going outside to do the testing and tuning. But we'll see how far that can bring us, and to see if anything changed, if there's any difference with all the mods that I've done with all the back end work and stuff like that. So you know, stay tuned, guys, and remember to like, share, and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and thanks for watching.